Hey friends! Hope you're doing great. Today we're diving into one of the most practical and professional skin retouching techniques in Photoshop, removing freckles, blemishes, acne, and other skin imperfections like a true pro. If you want to create flawless, clean skin edits in Photoshop, stick with me till the end. This is the exact method top YouTubers and pro editors use. First things first, open your photo in Photoshop and make 2 copies of your original layer. That way, we always have the original to fall back on if anything goes wrong. Next, turn off the eye icon on the top layer and go to the one below it. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. This keeps your edits non-destructive and fully editable later. Now go to Filter, Noise, Median and set the radius based on the skin texture. The rougher the skin, the higher the value. Then, create a new empty layer, go to Edit, Fill, and in the pop-up, set contents to 50% gray, then click OK. Right-click on the gray layer and convert it to a smart object as well, so we can control our filters easily. Head to Filter, Noise, add noise, and set the amount somewhere between 10 to 15%, depending on your image. Now it's time to soften things with a bit of Gaussian blur. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the radius between 1.5 to 2.5 pixels. Hit OK. Turn the top layer back on, convert it to a smart object, and now it's showtime. Change the blending mode of this layer to Vivid Light. Then go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Adjust the radius between 2.5 to 5 or even 6 pixels, depending on your image. Now hold down Ctrl, select all 3 layers, the 2 smart objects and the gray one, and group them using the folder icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Add a layer mask to the group and press Ctrl-I to invert it. This hides all the filter effects for now. Grab your brush tool. Set opacity and flow to 100% and hardness to 0%. Make sure you're painting on the mask, and carefully brush over the skin areas you want to retouch. If anything looks too intense, simply lower the brush opacity or flow to keep things looking natural. With this technique, you'll have super smooth, professional quality skin, just like in beauty ads. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more content like this, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching and sticking around. See you in the next tutorial.